From the mountains to the sea, we rise, we stand, we're free. Papua New Guinea. From the Highlands down to the coast, we carry the spirit that we treasure. Together we stand, me and you. The rivers flow through the green, the voices of our ancestors unseen. In every step, in every song, we rise together, we belong. We rise like the sun, shining bright under one sky with all our might. In every heartbeat, in every sound, we lift our voices from the ground. Rise of the island, we stand tall. Together we're stronger, we won't fall. In the rhythm of the ocean, in the wind's call. Papua New Guinea, we rise above all. In the city lights or the village fire, we chase our dreams, we lift them higher. Through the night and through the day, we pave the path, we find our way. Our culture runs deep in every beat, in every dance we feel complete. Through the trials and the tears, we move forward with no fears. We rise like the moon, lighting the night under one flag, shining bright. In every heartbeat, in every sound, we lift our spirits from the ground. Rise of the island.